Hi, my name is Heidi Bender-Kaufman, and I'm an academic advisor at Shawnee State University. Today we're going to look at how to register for courses using our MYSSU online platform. So first things first, we're going to go to, let me shut that off. We're going to go to www.shawnee.edu, and then we're going to go to the bottom of the page where it says MySSU Login. I'm going to click on that. And up here at the top where it says username, I'm going to fill in the 6-digit code that I received with my acceptance letter. Well, that I received when I was hired and that you would have received with your acceptance letter. So here it goes. Okay, here we are at my MySSU home portal. Now you can see there's this blue band at the top with all sorts of great tools. Today we're going to look at the Student tab. So before you register for courses, you need to have met with your academic advisor to understand really which courses are going to be most beneficial to take. You might have an idea of what you want to take in mind, but your advisor is going to help keep you on a path that's going to mean that you're taking exactly the courses that you need to take for that semester for the long run. I've already cleared myself for the purpose of this demonstration, so I'm going to choose the term of fall 2020. And I'm going to hit submit. And I can see here that my academic advisor, me, has cleared myself. So you can do that before you register online just to make sure that's not a problem. Okay, now that I know I'm cleared, I can go to add drop courses. Okay, so this is set on summer 2020. I'm going to go to term, which is going to be fall. And some of you are not going to be able to see this right away. Some of you are going to get a gray screen that says registration agreement. So you're going to read all the fine print, and if you agree with those terms, you're going to hit I accept these terms. It's a blue button at the bottom of the screen. You may have to do this twice. I think they just want to be sure that you really know what you're doing. Okay, so now I've signed the registration agreement and I'm into term fall 2020. And you can look for courses in a variety of ways. You can look for them by department, such as mathematics. I could go in and see any mathematics course offered this semester. Or if I know the 4-digit code, I can just go type those letters in here and see what pops up. I usually discourage students from typing in an entire course code. For example, Psych 1101. Sometimes the system's a little glitchy, and if you type in the whole thing, it might not pop up. But if I find that if I type in the first 4 letters of the code, in this case, PSYC, that I'll have success. So I'm going to search. All right, so here we are. I can see all of the Intro to Psych courses. If I'm an upperclassman and I want to see what upper level courses are available, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to see the courses that start with 300 or 400. So I could take this learning and memory course in the fall, for example, if it wasn't closed. Okay, now something you're going to have on your screen that I don't have on mine, right next to this plus sign here will be a box. And usually it will say add. So if you want this course, so I'm going to scroll down, we're going to say you're going to take lifespan development for health sciences. You would check the box and then scroll down to the bottom of your screen and hit submit. And that'll allow you to add one course at a time. So you go through this process, searching again, until you add all the courses for fall that you want. Under, when you go to the search again, under here, you should see kind of a list of courses that start to appear when you've registered successfully. There's one more way that you can add a course. So for example, I'm going to take this lifespan development for health sciences. And over here, there's usually going to be a button that says Add Course, and you can hit that button to add the course as well. Something else I want to show you before we leave this page is this Course Requisites button. So sometimes you're not able to add a course because you need to have taken certain courses. In this case, the requisite was you needed to take Psych 1 101 with a grade of D- or better in order to take this other psychology course. Sometimes the prerequisite is a level that you test into. For example, if you are a high school student coming into college, they're going to give you a placement test, the Accuplacer or the ACT. And the ACT, you might have gotten a score that lets you test into college algebra or trigonometry or calculus. So that's going to be on the prerequisites. And sometimes if you know that you're registering for the correct course and you're an incoming student and it's not letting you register, you want to check the prerequisites and connect with your advisor and make sure everything's just recorded perfectly. Okay, so that gives you an idea about how to add and drop courses. I'm going to go back to the Student tab now, and I'm going to show you a couple other places that you want to go. So where it says Bookstore Interface, you can order a textbook for the class that you just added. So if you are somebody who has an online book, this is especially helpful. You're going to select the session, which is going to be fall 2020, and buy now. So for me, I'm not registered for any courses during the selected term, but we know that you're going to have selected courses. And what will happen is all the books for the courses that you need are going to appear here on the Bookstore interface. All right, that should do it. I hope that you guys have a great day and that you enjoy your time at Shawnee State University. Go Bears!